Alright guys, we are here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we are going to be looking at a 2018 Rockwood A122 BH. We're going to start on the outside. So the cool thing is you're going to have a front jack. It's going to make it really easy to get it off the ball and put it right back on. You're going to have one battery hookup and you're going to have 2 propane tanks. Cool thing is you're going to have a nice little storage unit. These do pop off. So I mean, you can get a dirt bike, you can get something, something up there to go home, go play. You're gonna have a 30 amp plug-in on the side, and you're gonna have your outside shower. So when you get dirty playing, you can actually wipe off. You're gonna have a little TV hook up here, your water connections there, and then on to the back, you got your spare tire. And we're gonna keep on moving on to the side, guys. You're going to have an outside rail for your grill that comes on the inside and outside, and you're going to have little plug-ins here. So this table that is actually making into the bed here, you can bring outside and you can actually watch TV and you can basically do anything you want. Now on to the inside. This table here, which is making into the bed, pops up for your dinette. Alright guys, so after the bed we got the 3 stove top burner. We got our nice little sink here, and then we are gonna have the little mini fridge right down here. On over to this side, you're gonna have your big bed. It's gonna be able to sleep too. You're gonna have your nice little shades here, and then right here is where you can put your TV and or your camp grill, and then under that you will have a nice little microwave. And then you got a little drawer cubby, so you can put your little top ramen, canned food, whatever you got. And then if you need storage, you got more storage. You got a good amount. Now, if you guys have any questions on this unit, give me a call, guys. My phone number is 541-954-4683. Thank you, guys.